Alright, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how to use the clone stamp tool to remove objects in your image. To start off with something really easy, we can take this sign or top of a rooftop and remove it. This is a really easy thing to remove because there's a lot of background around it. That's all very consistent colors and same shade, so it'll be really easy to grab that and use the clone stamp to erase it. First thing I'm going to have to do, you can see my size of my brush is way too small. It's that tiny little circle, so I'm going to increase the size down here at the bottom. Usually somewhere around 30 to 40 is a good spot to start with, and that should work. To use the clone stamp tool, you're going to press Alt, and you should see your circle change to crosshairs, and that's going to then select whatever is underneath it. When you click it, it's going to select that as your starting point for what you're going to use to clone and paint over the object. So if I click the mouse and now let go of Alt, now as I move the mouse over and click and start dragging, you notice the little X up there showing where I'm grabbing from to erase. And so basically I'm painting the white sky over that section of the roof that was sticking up. Another simple place where I could use clone stamp to remove would be to remove the top of this pole by selecting parts of the tree. So again, if I press Alt, you can see it's now looking to select something, and I click on the tree, and then I can move the mouse down and just start clicking and dragging, and you can see it's actually going to copy the tree from up above over the pole. In this case, if I go up too high, it's actually going to start copying the sky because I'm above the tree. So in some cases you may need to reset it. So maybe I'm going to grab some of these lower branches by clicking Alt, click on the tree, then let go, and now if I come back up here, I can continue painting those tree branches. As I get to the edge of the image, you notice it's not working anymore because I'm now trying to grab branches that aren't there. I'm at the edge of the image. So again, I'm going to press Alt, kind of reset back in the middle, and then come back up here and continue to paint over it. So some of this may need to be cleaned up a little bit. Maybe grab a little bit from right here and try to kind of fix that little section. I could continue down here on the side of the pole more. And within just a minute or so, I could actually remove most of that pole from my image.